Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller lab. In this video tutorial, we shall see quick introduction of interfacing program. So this is the board which we will be using. Okay. So this is your 8051 IC, and this board comes with lot of peripherals. Okay. As you can see, you have some LEDs here. You have 4:4 key matrix. Then you have also 4 keys here. Then if you see this side, you have 7-segment display. Then you have connection for LCD here. You have ADC. You have serial port. Then you also have driver for connecting the stepper motor. So basically this board is called as an 8051 development board. Okay. So it comes with all the basic peripherals wherein you can write the program and interface with 8051 microcontroller. Now in this video tutorial, we shall execute the first program. In the theory, I've already explained the program. The program is until the key is pressed, the LED should be on, and when the key is released, the LED should be off. Okay. So let us first do the connections. Okay. The first connection is the power connection. Okay, we have this 12-volt adapter, so this is connected here. Okay, it's not still on because there is a power switch here. Only when you switch on the power switch, this board will be on. Okay, so this is the first connection. The second connection is whatever the program I have written, okay, that I have to load. So that I will be loading via this serial port. Okay. So this connection is to load the program onto the program memory. Okay. After these two connections, now I have to make the connection for a key and LED. Okay. Now as you can see, you have this 8051 microcontroller and the port connections are taken out here. If you see this is the port 1 connection. This is port 3 connection, this is port 2 connection, and this is port 0 connection. So whichever port you have used in the program, the same port you have to connect. See, if you see the program, I have used P2.0 for key and P2.7 for LED. So key is connected to P2.0 and LED is connected to P2.7. So those connections we have to make. So here is your P2.0, okay, which is connected to a key. So you have 4 keys here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can connect to any key. So I will connect to this key. Then in the program P2.7, okay, it is connected to any of the LED. So you have 8 LEDs here. You connect to any of these LEDs. So I will connect to this LED. Okay. Now after this, so your hardware connection or the interfacing is completed now. Now I will switch on the board. Okay. Then I have written the program here. You can see the program. If key is 1, LED is equal to 1, and if key is equal to 0, LED should be off. So I will compile this program. So this program will give you a hex file. Okay, it will give an hex file. That hex file is P16. Okay, now that hex file I have to load via this serial port. So for that there is a utility here to load that hex file. So I will go and select that hex file first. Then I will say update chip. So when I say update chip, it will ask me to reset once. Okay. So what you should do is you should click on update chip. Then there is a reset button here. Okay. You should immediately reset. So once you reset, the program will be loaded. Now you can check the output here. The program is loaded now. Now unless when the key is off, you can see the LED is off. Now I will continuously press the key. So as long as I press the key, you can see the LED to be on. So that's the program. Okay, and when I release, the LED will be off, and again when I press, the LED will be on. Okay, so basically this program you should have done using interrupts, but I have done this without using interrupts. So this is your first program. Thank you.